Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on Robinhood full guide. Open the Robinhood app and sign in or create an account, then tap the account icon to begin verification. Follow prompts to enter your legal name, SSN, and address for identity checks, then link a bank account to transfer funds. I'll guide you through each step so you can invest confidently and avoid common mistakes as you start buying your first shares. Begin by choosing how much to deposit and start a bank transfer, or ACH, from your linked account. If you prefer steady investing, set up recurring transfers to dollar-cost average into positions over time. Remember that ACH transfers can take a few business days, and instant deposit limits may restrict how much you can trade immediately. I'll explain timing and limits so you know when funds are available to place your first orders and avoid surprises. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more investing guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long research sessions and makes a handy companion on commutes to work. I find its design keeps drinks cold and the size fits most cup holders, which is perfect when you're glued to the market. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Search for a ticker symbol and review the company profile, fundamentals, and recent news before you decide. When placing an order, pick a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to target a specific price, and understand the trade-offs of each. You can buy whole shares or fractional shares when supported, which lets you invest smaller amounts in expensive stocks. I'll show examples and tips to help you place orders with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.